Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually add birthdays to Google Calendar. Now in order for us to get this done, what we are going to do is head over here in your Google and then you're going to click the apps here and we're going to look for the contacts. So click this one. Now the date for today is January 1. Say someone is having a birthday on January 2. What you can do is click here, create contact. All right, and then you're going to go ahead and fill in all the details that's needed here. If there's an image, that would be great. Now I'm just going to go ahead and say that I'll be having a birthday tomorrow. All right, so I'm going to add those and then, yeah, you can add the other details. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you something that is quite simple. All right, say for example, that's everything that I need. I'm going to go ahead and click the save button right here. And we're going to head over to our Google Calendar. You see it's not popping up, so we're going to refresh this one. And there you go. So you can see that someone is having a birthday tomorrow. And again, everybody, that's how you're going to add birthdays manually to Google Calendar.